This lecture is on corpus callosum under fetal neurosonography. This will be covered under the following headings of anatomy of corpus callosum, development, the technique of sonography of corpus callosum in the fetus, sonographic anatomy, pitfalls, biometry of corpus callosum, sonographic features of the anomalies of corpus callosum, prognosis in the anomalies, and counseling of the couple. So the topic will be covered under these headings, and the anomalies of corpus callosum which will be covered is agenesis of corpus callosum, partial agenesis, and hypoplasia or dysgenesis of corpus callosum. If you would like to listen to this lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in and listen to the lecture on corpus callosum under fetal neurosonography. Thank you.